What's up, guys? It's your boy Soji Gray, and a big welcome to another episode of the best Android home screen setup of the week. We're drawing closer to the end of the year, and what a good way to end it by rocking an amazing setup on your Android device. By the way, if you're new here, make sure to join the super fan community by hitting the subscribe button down below. As usual, links to everything used for this setup will be linked in the description section, so make sure to check it out, of course after you're done watching the video, because it does help the channel a lot. By popular demand, the launcher used in this setup is Nova Launcher. Nova Launcher, in my opinion, is the creme de la creme of Android launchers. It has a ton of features with which one can make a lot of customizations with. At the top of the home screen, we have a widget from Waffle KWGT called 81. The widget gives us details such as the date, day, a sub music widget, and a sub weather widget. The weather looks super clean and at the same time brings you a lot of information. The icon pack used in this setup is from O3 Icon Pack. I mean, this is a great squircle icon pack. The O3 Icon Pack has a huge library of icons and they look very unique as well. The icon size I used in this setup is 100, and I turned the icon labels off to have a clean looking setup. The icons are set up in a desktop grade of 12:7 format on the home screen setup. As I always say, the wallpaper is the core of any setup, and this one really brings to life the widgets and the icons on the home screen. So there you have it, guys, a super cool setup of the week. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and make sure to send in your questions and suggestions as well. Help support the channel by giving us a like and share. It means a lot to us. Catch you in the next one. Stay blessed.